about Christmas, guys.
Muévanse, go! Go! Go, man! Go! Come on! Come on, cuz. All right, let's see what this thing can do.
Agent Markham, I've got him heading south on I-95.
Yeah, I got it. They're running. What a surprise.
Come on, stick with me, Ron. What you got? Why must I chase the cat? Smart ass. Oh yeah, you think you're the bomb room?